In our last analysis, we compared the giants of the supplement world, Athletic Greens and Neurohacker. We saw that while they are successful, they share a fundamental flaw. They operate on the assumption that we are all biologically identical. They are selling a one-size-fits-all solution to a species defined by its diversity. Today, we explore the technology that is making that model obsolete. We are entering the era of precision. Welcome to the future of supplements. Personalized nutrition. For the last 50 years, the supplement industry has been playing a guessing game. You walk into a pharmacy, you see rows of bottles, and you guess. Maybe I need vitamin C? Maybe I need iron? Or you take a multivitamin that gives you 100% of everything, most of which your body simply flushes out. This is the era of blind supplementation, and from an efficiency standpoint, it is a disaster. But why is this changing now? Because the cost of knowing has plummeted. 3 technologies have converged to unlock this market: genomics, blood diagnostics, and artificial intelligence. First, let's talk about genomics. It used to cost millions to sequence a human genome. Now it costs less than a nice dinner. Companies can now analyze your DNA to tell you exactly how your body metabolizes caffeine, how efficiently you absorb vitamin D, or if you have a genetic mutation like MTHFR that affects how you process folate. Second, blood diagnostics. We are moving away from the annual checkup. Home testing kits allow consumers to prick their finger and measure their cortisol, testosterone, and inflammation levels monthly. Third, and most importantly, AI. Artificial intelligence takes this massive amount of data, your DNA, your blood markers, your sleep data from your Oura Ring, and it builds a unique nutritional profile. It doesn't just say, take vitamins, it says, based on your genetic predisposition and your high stress levels this week, you need 200 milligrams of magnesium glycinate and 500 milligrams of ashwagandha right now. This is the shift from bioguessing to bioengineering. The market implications here are profound. We are seeing the rise of subscription-based precision. Imagine a service that doesn't send you the same bottle every month. Instead, it sends you a customized packet of pills that changes every month based on your latest data. Or even further, imagine a 3D printer on your kitchen counter that prints a single gummy each morning containing the exact microdose of nutrients you need for that specific day. This is not science fiction. This technology exists today. Investors should note that the moat in this industry is no longer the ingredient. Ingredients are commodities. Anyone can buy vitamin C. The new moat is the data, the company that holds your DNA sequence. Your blood history and your daily health metrics owns you. They have the highest switching cost in the industry. You won't leave a company that knows your biology better than your own doctor. This shift also changes the relationship between the consumer and the product. In the old model, you bought a product hoping it would work. In the personalized model, the product evolves with you. It is a feedback loop. However, as we optimize our internal chemistry, we must not ignore the external environment in which our brains operate. We can take all the perfect supplements in the world, but if our working environment is destroying our cognitive health, we are fighting a losing battle. The way we work has changed forever. The office is gone, or at least it has changed shape. In our next episode, we will tackle a subject that affects every modern professional. We will discuss the impact of remote work on brain health. Is working from home a productivity paradise, or is it a breeding ground for cognitive decline and isolation? The chemistry is fixed. Now, let's fix the environment. See you in the next episode.